Hello guys, you are welcome once again. One of my apprentices asked me, why is it that at the age above 45, most of the artisans find it difficult to hear sound easily? When you talk to them, it's either you shout on top of your voice, or you need to touch them, or you move closer to them before they could hear what you are saying. So I told him, most of the artisans is not peculiar to electricians alone. Welder, iron benders, plumbers, a lot of artisans, even the industrial workers, marine electricians, marine engineers, civil engineers, and so on. A lot of them suffer this problem when they are attaining the age above 45. And this is because during their youthful time, when they are very active at work, they do not take into consideration the essence of protective devices, personal protective devices. Personal protective devices are not to be joked with. They are to be taken seriously and used when necessary. In relevance to this, there is a particular personal protective equipment called earmuff. Earmuff, this is it. This earmuff, as little as it is here, it is designed to protect your ears from listening to the sound above the frequency that your hair can actually withstand. If you want to use your cutting machine, you want to use your grinder, you want to use other equipment that make a lot of sound, a lot of noise on site, it is advised before you start operating those equipment that you make use of your earmuff. This is not a fashion, and it is not designed to actually discomfort you, but rather to protect your hearing against those dangerous noise level that is above the frequency that your hair can actually listen to successfully. There are some sound that are very low, lower than the frequency that our hair can listen to. That is the infrasonic sound, ultrasonic sounds. And we have ultrasonic sound and we have infrasonic sound. And there are other sounds that are of higher decibels, higher frequency that normal human ear can actually listen to. So in that case, when you are using any of your equipment to work on site, a lot of them generate a lot of noise of higher decibels that are very dangerous for your hearing. So, and if you do not protect your ear in that case, you may think, how long will it take me to do it? Just bring it. You are gradually causing damage to your hearing, your ossicles, the vibration in the ossicles become too loud that most of these organs become wear out in no distant time. So that is why, as you are working, you must take your health very, very seriously. When you need to drill something that has to do with dust, protect your eye. When you need to cut something where you can have dust flying, iron filings and so on, use your goggle. When you are working and you need to handle some things that is either hot or too tough for you to handle, use your hand glove. When you are working in a very noisy area, at times, being an electrician, you might be working on site and the work you are doing does not generate any noise. But in your surroundings, you have the iron benders, you have welders, you have a lot of people using other equipment, producing a very loud noise that could cause damage to your hearing. Please reach out for your earmuff and put it on so that you can save your hearing from getting damaged as a result of working in a noisy environment. So noise is very injurious to our hearing. It can make you to become deaf at a very younger age. So not until you attain 70, 80, even from 40, you find it difficult to hear until they touch you. So is it a crime to be an artisan? Is it a crime to be an electrical engineer? Is it a crime to be a civil engineer? Is it a crime to be a metallurgical engineer? Artisans and engineers, we need to take our health very seriously. Personal protective devices are not for joke. They are meant to protect you. So put them on today in order to avert the problem in the future. I'm going to come your way next time. I'm your one and only engineer Oxford. Till then, bye.